Today I show you how to use a corrector pen when you make a mistake in a form, and when you are allowed to make a correction on the form. Usually this is the best option. You can use corrector paste where you paint the area, but that's not even close to how precise a corrector pen is. And this actually is just a roll of tape, a roll of corrector tape actually. And when you go over the surface, it will leave a white residue that it's actually the purpose of the corrector. This will work on the white forms, on the white paper, not so much on colored paper. You might be able to find colored correctors, but I always know the white ones. So I will show you on this paper here what happens if you use it on a paper that's not white. So first, to make sure which way it's going, you have to see from the empty cartridge is this one, and that's the full one. I can tell that because here below, this is where the one that still has some leftover paint, corrector ink, and the top one is empty. So here, this one is unlocked, but if you wanted to lock it, if you wanted to protect this so you don't use it by mistake, you could lock it like this, but I always have it unlocked. So you put it on the paper where you want to remove the trace. It might not work now for some time. Yeah, could be dry now. Now if it's dry, I don't know what to do with this. See, it's almost working, kind of, but not much on this paper. Okay, let's try to write something. I'll write something. My name. So if I wrote wrong here, my name is hello. Let's try now. So it works. With a bit messy this one. My name is Dragoš. Yeah, this one also, it's a bit coming off the track. Let's see if it's without ink. I think that's it for it. Came off the track. Okay, so should this video turn into a how to fix the corrector pen? Maybe. So I pull the corrector tape out and make sure it's aligned. And let's try again. So I align it again. It doesn't work where it's only paper, but let's try one where there is some ink. Yeah, this one is pretty much expired. I think it's expired. That's why it's crumbling like this. So let's write another one. Test and try to use it. Yeah, it's pretty much expired. So let's see, since I'm opening it like this, now it works. Okay, so I don't know what to do with it. It worked for a minute there. Now it barely works. You can't really call this working, so okay, let's see what's inside this thing. Okay, let's see what's inside this thing. It doesn't really work well anymore. It used to, but not now. So to open it first. Actually, I think it's just gonna be clicking out. It's just a click like this sideways. Maybe this is coming out first. Okay, let's get the pocket knife. Let's get the opener tool. Okay, so let's see here. First this one. The guard for the it will just open like a clamshell. It's all held together like that. And that's the roll of used tape. Interesting gears here. And this is the unused tape. See, it has, on one side is clear and the other side it has this white ink eraser material. But because it's dry, it doesn't work anymore. Maybe this one will work. Feels a bit softer on this side. But okay. Oh, this one. This one would work. It feels much softer. Yeah, here this part seems much softer, so I'll try to put it back. I think I rolled back enough of it. I just wanna try to put this back, the part that is still a bit soft, to put it back on the roll. So I will keep this one like that and remove, cut a piece of another tape here. This was the extra, not used anymore. Okay, I will try to put it back here without ruining the tape again. And this side should go in like that. They should be rolling, I think, in this direction. Hope I didn't get it wrong. And I'll try to start the rolling process here. The original one had a bit of scotch tape at the end, but I think it will hold on pretty well without the tape. Okay, so I roll it. It's there in position. Now I'll roll it more, this one. it's the opposite. I have to fold it the opposite. Okay, so I'll do it like this, because it's like that. I'm trying to make it really tight here so that it will not slip. Okay, so I have it there, that one in place. Let's try now. Hope I didn't get it wrong again. No, now it's okay. But I have to roll this one a bit more. So let's roll it again a bit more. Could roll this one back also. No. I really hope this is gonna work when it's done, because I don't know. Okay, this is the place now, and I have to put it in front of this place there. I don't need this cover, actually, I don't need that. But I could use it, I could keep it there. To know how to put this thing back now. Which way is it? Here? I need this here. I think it goes like this, okay? So I have to put it out in front of this holder there. Okay. Something like this, I think. Okay, I guess this is the way. It's a bit loose on the top there, but okay, let's try to tighten it a bit. I think that's pretty good how it is. Let me try and see if it works. This safety thing, I don't need it there. Okay. Let's get another paper. Hope I put it right. Okay, so now at least it's not getting too loose, but it's still not working. And I'm hoping as I go through closer to the soft part, that it would start working. But it got worse. Yeah, I think from here it should work, so let me... I'll put this part here in place and try to wind down this spool. So it's not loose. That's what I'm trying to do now. Okay, so it's pretty good. Not loose at all now. They are in good contact together, and one more test. Okay, one more test now. Yeah. Well, I guess it could have worked, but I don't have the patience anymore. You can write over it. You can write over it easily, but not over this one, because I'm gonna throw this one. Thanks for watching.